Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. And to do this I brought this Gosun Smart socket which I'm connected the charger to. Now let's plug it into the power source and to the phone, and we'll be able to tell the exact specifics of a charger in a Gosun Smart app. Let me turn out the brightness. So here's this socket. Now we can move to electric tab. And here you can see all of the statistics of this charger. Let's wait about 20 seconds till they all stabilize. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.